Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I am going to guide you on how to use multiple Telegram accounts on iPhone. For that, make sure you get the Telegram application and you are already logged into one of your accounts. Now, it is a very simple step. All you need to do is tap on the settings at the bottom right. And you will be led to this kind of interface. And at the top right, you can see the option Edit. You need to tap over there. And at the downside, you can see the option Add another account. You need to tap over there. And you will be led to this kind of interface. Now here you need to simply add the phone number that you want to add the account of. And after you are done, you need to simply tap on Continue. This kind of box will pop up. Simply tap on Continue. Now a verification code will be sent to the phone number that you have entered. You need to simply enter the code over here. And after that, if you go and check into your settings, then here at the downside, you will be seeing another Telegram account. And this is how you can add multiple Telegram accounts. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.